Welcome back. Today we are exploring the planet's most dramatic boundaries, where massive land masses abruptly collide with the raw power of the open ocean. From vertical cliffs dropping into icy Arctic waters to sun-drenched Mediterranean paradises, the top 10 most spectacular coastlines in the world. Let's dive in. Number 10. The Causeway Coastal Route, Northern Ireland. Stretching for over 200 kilometers from Belfast to Derry, this rugged Atlantic corridor feels like stepping directly into an ancient myth. The crown jewel here is the Giant's Causeway, a bizarrely perfect geological formation made of roughly 40,000 interlocking basalt columns formed by ancient volcanic activity. It is a master class in jagged, wind-swept beauty that has rightfully earned its place as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Number 9. Lofoten Islands, Norway. Located well above the Arctic Circle, the Lofoten archipelago offers some of the most surreal coastal views on Earth. Instead of flat sandy beaches, you get sheer razor-sharp mountain peaks rising straight out of the deep blue ocean. Dotting these dramatic shorelines are vibrant red wooden fishing villages that have remained practically unchanged for centuries, contrasting perfectly against the dark rock and white Arctic sands. Number 8. The Skeleton Coast, Namibia. This is easily one of the most unforgiving yet hauntingly beautiful coastlines on the planet. Here, the massive roaring dunes of the Namib Desert collapse directly into the icy churning surf of the Atlantic Ocean. The cold Bengola Current creates a dense, heavy fog that blankets the shore for most of the year. This treacherous mix has caused countless maritime disasters, leaving the coast literally littered with whale bones and rusting shipwrecks. Number 7. Cape Town's Atlantic Seaboard, South Africa. Just minutes outside of downtown Cape Town, the Atlantic seaboard offers jaw-dropping contrast. On one side, you have the dramatic towering peaks of the 12 Apostles mountain range. On the other side, the freezing, deep blue waters of the Atlantic crash against pristine white sand beaches. Driving along Chapman's Peak, a road literally carved into the side of a vertical cliff face, gives you some of the most intense panoramic ocean views anywhere on Earth. Number 6. Ha Long Bay, Vietnam. Moving over to Southeast Asia, Ha Long Bay is an absolute geological wonderland. This coastal masterpiece features over 1,600 towering limestone pillars and emerald green islets rising dramatically from the calm waters of the Gulf of Tonkin. Thousands of years of wind and wave erosion have carved out hidden grottos and deep-sea caves, creating a surreal, mist-covered landscape that looks entirely prehistoric. Number 5. Milford Sound, New Zealand. Located deep within Fiordland National Park, Milford Sound is a jaw-dropping testament to the power of the Ice Age. Carved out by massive glaciers thousands of years ago, this dramatic fjord features near-vertical cliffs that rise over 1,000 meters straight out of ink-dark waters. When it rains, which happens frequently here, hundreds of temporary waterfalls multiply across the rock faces, cascading downwards with magnificent, deafening effect. Number 4. Napali Coast, Kauai, USA. Spanning 27 kilometers along Kauai's northern shore, the Napali coast is a sacred otherworldly landscape defined by extraordinary geological scale. Deep, narrow valleys open up to the ocean, separated by razor-sharp, emerald-green ridges that plunge thousands of feet directly into the crashing Pacific surf. Because it is completely inaccessible by conventional cars, its pristine wild nature remains perfectly preserved. Number 3. Big Sur, California, USA. Flanked by the Santa Lucia Mountains on one side and the vast Pacific Ocean on the other, Big Sur is the ultimate symbol of the rugged American West Coast. This 90-mile stretch of California Highway 1 winds precariously along steep, misty cliffs, offering unobstructed views of crashing waves, hidden rocky coves, and towering redwood forests that grow right down toward the marine fog line. Number 2. The Great Ocean Road, Australia. Spanning hundreds of kilometers along Victoria's southern coast, this iconic drive showcases nature at its most diverse and destructive. The absolute highlight of this coastline is the 12 Apostles, a collection of massive limestone sea stacks rising majestically out of the ferocious Southern Ocean. These giant pillars were once part of the mainland cliffs, but centuries of relentless wave action eroded them into isolated towering monuments. Number 1. The Amalfi Coast, Italy. Widely considered the ultimate European coastal masterpiece, the Amalfi Coast combines dramatic natural geography with centuries of human history. Located on the southern edge of the Sorrentine Peninsula, this UNESCO World Heritage Site features vertical terraced cliffs that plunge directly into the shimmering Tyrrhenian Sea. Clinging precariously to these steep rock faces are pastel-colored medieval villages, vibrant lemon groves, and winding cliffside roads that offer the most celebrated coastal panoramas in the world.